If you fell into the deepest part of the ocean, sunlight would disappear within minutes. Keep sinking, and eventually the world around you would become completely black. The temperature would fall to just a few degrees above freezing, and the pressure would become so enormous. But here's the strange part. Something is alive down there. Creatures that hunt in complete darkness. Animals that create their own light. Entire ecosystems surviving without sunlight. And at the deepest points humans have ever reached, life is still there. Today, we're leaving the surface behind and descending toward one of the most hostile environments on Earth, the bottom of the ocean. At first, everything looks familiar. Sunlight pours through the surface. Fish move through warm blue water. Plants and microscopic organisms capture energy from the sun. This is the ocean most of us know. But start descending, and that world quickly disappears. At around 200 meters, you enter a region scientists call the mesopelagic zone, or more dramatically, the Twilight Zone. There's still a little sunlight here, but not enough for photosynthesis. The water becomes darker, colder, and the animals become stranger. Millions upon millions of small fish hide in this darkness. Among them are lanternfish, small animals with light-producing organs called photophores. They can literally produce their own light. And they're far from alone. Bioluminescence appears throughout the deep ocean. Some creatures use it to communicate, and some use light as weapon. Imagine being a tiny animal surrounded by absolute darkness, when suddenly a glowing object appears in front of you. You swim toward it, and discover that the light is attached to a predator. That's essentially the strategy made famous by the anglerfish. But we're still nowhere near the bottom. So let's keep going.